Hey everyone, here is a quick one on this Oxin chain we are currently mining. This video will just show you how to do your KYC and so that you can be able to send out and receive this token just as they've launched the mainnet. So the mainnet is currently on. So after importing your wallet right here, after importing the network right here in the Oxin miner wallet, then you can start receiving and sending out the tokens. And the token is currently traded in P2P and black market. All right. So for you to do the KYC, you have to click right here. After installing the app and registering, you come over here, open the app and click on this. Meanwhile, I'll be dropping the link to the app right at the video description. And then for the newbies that want to partake in this project can use the link at the description of the video and keep mining while we are in the first phase. All right, so you click on this place. It's going to load up this. It's going to load up this section right here. So go ahead and click on verify now. Then after clicking on verify, it's going to bring out this section for you to verify your identification. Go ahead and click on start verification. Then currently this is the only option that is available. For now, we don't have this option here. Passport and driving license is not available. So we are making just use of national identity card. So go ahead and click on national card. And then you insert these details right here. Fill in these details as they appear in your national ID card, and then you put in your ID card number and then your date of birth. All right. Now, why this information is needed is just to tell the team and the people behind this project that you are not a bot, and it's for them to know where you are mining from, if you are a real human being, so to say. All right. So you fill in all this information right here, and then afterwards, go ahead and click on continue to payment. All right, just go ahead and click on this. All right, and after clicking on that make payment, is going to pop out this. Okay, now they want you to select just two payment method you actually use. All right, so I normally prefer this USDT, so you can just go ahead and click on the crypto section, and then you go ahead and click on proceed to scan. All right, they say two options. So now we are going to be making use of, you can select any options of your choice here, okay? And then you click on proceed to scan. Finally going to take you right here. So what you have to do is to click on this tab to start camera, okay? And then just click on it, and afterwards it is going to open up and then demands that you grant the permission to the app. Just go ahead and grant the permission to the app by just clicking on allow while visiting the app, or you can click on allow this time. After clicking on that, the app is going to be the camera of your phone is going to be granted in the app for it to take your face to complete the final step. Now, in case it happens that the app doesn't load up your camera and it instead showed you something like this, a message like this, that this site can ask for your permission, what you have to do is try using a VPN, or if VPN doesn't still work out for you, then you have to go to your phone, try and minimize the app, then go to the phone, and then if you're using an Android version, just go to the phone, hold the camera, and then hold the app, and then the app is gonna automatically open up this. All right, now go ahead and enable this allow while using the app. All right, now let me show you something. If you click right here in the app, if you minimize, finally just scroll here, you can see these two apps right here. One of these app is the normal Android app, and then one of the app, this other one here, is a Chrome app, is the Chrome version of it. So what you're gonna be doing is this: try and see if you can in your phone hold in these two apps and enable them. All right, if you can successfully hold the apps, hold the app, hold the first one, there is a button that is going to be a pop-up that is going to show like app information. When you click on the app information, it is going to load up this. It is going to load up this. So just go ahead and enable this particular one. All right. Go ahead and enable the camera, and then it's going to take you this. Just click on it, and then you can now still do the same thing to the second app. All right. And then afterwards, it is going to verify you, and then you can now complete the task. Will now be completed, and then it will take you back to the app, and then your KYC will successfully be completed, guys. So if this video was helpful, kindly like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, leave it at the comment section, and see you in the next video.